Right, cotton wool is an excellent tinder. Takes the spark really well, but its only drawback is that it doesn't burn for very long. You can see that now. It burns for 20 seconds, something like that. See, it's starting to burn out now. So what you can do to prolong the burning is you can use Vaseline on it, but all you need is a drop of this antibacterial hand wash. It's easier to apply. Just a few drops. And you'll see the difference now. Burns for much longer. It'll actually burn for probably about a minute, minute and a half, something like that. So you can see the difference now. Great way of starting a fire. Gives you more time to put your kindling on and what have you. You see it's still going. It'll burn for about a minute, minute and a half, something like that. Long enough to set fire to your kindling.